In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Shadowcast Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire Shadowcast. Shadowcast is an attunement that the player is required to unlock and cannot start with. It is unique due to the fact that it drains ether from those that are hit by its mantras and returns the drained ether to the caster. This does come at a cost to its damage output, which tends to be quite low, but Shadowcast applies a black particle effect on hit that can be stacked. Many Shadowcast talents are centered on Ether Drain, Obscuring Vision, and AoE. So, for you to obtain Shadowcast, you will have to complete certain objectives. So, Shadowcast can be trained with a combination of Pure Heart and Shadowcast mantras or eating Umbral Obsidian. The attunement can be unlocked by using a Night Blood Potion. This is obtained in the first layer inside the City of the Drowned, using 5 or 2 if previously obtained Umbral Obsidian. It can upgrade spells for 100 notes each. Shadowcast is unlocked permanently like other elements and can be started with after being unlocked. Each upgrade purchased will make the next upgrade for the same mantra 100 nodes more expensive. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is acquire and drink the Night Blood Potion. This will come from the North Star spell training, and it is going to require Umbral Obsidian as the elemental ingredient, and as long as you are able to acquire 5 or 2 of those Umbral Obsidian, you will be able to get your Night Blood Potion obtained in the first layer inside the City of the Drowned to acquire the attunement Shadowcast. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Shadowcast in Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.